Hello guys, welcome back to iMyPhone YouTube channel. The iOS 15 version was officially released recently. After the new version was updated, many users reported that the iPhone was running slow. In today's video, I will introduce you to 5 solutions. Keep watching. Method number 1, delete unnecessary apps and app caches. Sometimes you might download apps that seem interesting, and then you just left them in your iPhone uselessly. These apps may occupy much space on your iPhone, and your iPhone iOS 15 will run slowly. So you need to delete these apps and clear the app cache. See how to do it. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, then select the software you want to delete, and tap on Delete App. Or press and hold the icon on the software you want to delete on the iPhone desktop, then choose Remove App. Method number 2, save music and game backup on iCloud or iTunes. We may save much audio, video, and games on our phone. It's better to upload the less frequently played audio and video to iCloud or iTunes. Go to Setting, iCloud, iCloud Backup, then tap on Backup Now. Method number 3, update iPhone apps to the latest version. Sometimes new release apps are smaller than the one, and updating can make them run more smoothly. Go to App Store, click your account, and you can see which app you can update. Then click the Update button. Method number 4, clear history and cache on iOS 15. Similar to a computer, too much cache's data will make your iPhone run slow. You can clean history and cache in the root of Settings, Safari, clear history and website data. Method number 5, one click to boost up iPhone iOS 15 supported with Umate Pro. Step 1, connect your iDevice to PC. Download and install iMyPhone Umate Pro on your PC first and connect your device. Step 2, scan your device for space-saving analysis. Click Quick Scan for a full space-saving analysis. Step 3, release space for your device. After scanning, it is clear that you do not have huge space to save. You can click the Clean button to clean up the space.